Let's check the news from AWS. Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet is now available on Amazon Bedrock in Europe. This highly advanced AI model offers both quick responses and extended, step-by-step thinking made visible to the user. With significant improvements in coding, Claude 3.7 Sonnet demonstrates enhanced performance across various tasks such as instruction following, math, and physics. The new model integrates reasoning seamlessly with other capabilities, allowing users to toggle between standard and extended thinking modes. In standard mode, it functions as an upgraded version of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, while in extended thinking mode, it employs self-reflection to achieve improved results across a wide range of tasks. Amazon Bedrock customers can adjust how long the model thinks, offering a flexible trade-off between speed and answer quality. Additionally, users can control the reasoning budget by specifying a token limit, enabling more precise cost management. Amazon SageMaker Studio now supports recovery mode for applications, enabling users to regain access to their Jupyter Lab and code editor applications when configuration issues prevent normal startup. When users encounter application startup failures due to issues such as corrupted Conda configuration or insufficient storage space, they can launch their application in recovery mode on the Studio UI or using AWS CLI. When configuration issues occur, users see a warning banner with the recommended solution and can choose to run their workspace in recovery mode. This simplified environment provides access to essential features like Terminal and File Explorer, allowing users to diagnose and fix configuration issues without administrator intervention. This feature provides users with an important self-service mechanism, helping them minimize workspace downtime by enabling them to regain access to their applications and resolve issues independently. Amazon RDS for Oracle now supports M6ID and R6ID database instances. These instances offer up to 7.6 terabytes of NVMe-based local storage, making them well-suited for database workloads that require access to large amounts of intermediate data beyond the instance's memory capacity. Customers can configure their Oracle database to use the local storage for temporary table space. Operations such as sorts, hash joins, and aggregations can generate large amounts of intermediate data that doesn't fit in memory and is stored in temporary table space. With M6ID and R6ID instances, customers can place temporary table spaces in the local storage instead of the Amazon EBS volume attached to their instance. This reduces latency, improves throughput, and lowers the provisioned IOPS. Additionally, customers with Oracle Enterprise Edition license can configure Database Smart Flash Cache to use the local storage. When configured, Smart Flash Cache will use the local storage to keep frequently accessed data that doesn't fit in memory and improve the read performance of the database. Customers can launch the new instances in the Amazon RDS Management Console or using the AWS CLI. Amazon Aurora now supports PostgreSQL versions 16.8, 15.12, 14.17, and 13.20. This release contains product improvements and bug fixes made by the PostgreSQL community, as well as Aurora-specific security and feature enhancements. The new features include dynamic resizing of allocated space for optimized reads-enabled temporary objects on Aurora I/O optimized clusters and new capabilities for Babelfish. These releases are available in all commercial AWS regions and AWS GovCloud regions, except China regions. Here is the rewritten text focusing solely on announcing Vector 0.8.0 support in Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL. Amazon Aurora PostgreSQL Compatible Edition now supports Vector 0.8.0, an open-source extension for PostgreSQL that enables storing vector embeddings in your database. This new version provides vector similarity search capabilities, making it suitable for generative artificial intelligence semantic search and retrieval augmented generation applications. Vector 0.8.0 includes enhancements to the PostgreSQL Query Planner's selection of index when filters are present, resulting in better query performance and improved search result quality. The update also improves data filtering using conditions in where clauses and joins, leading to enhanced query performance and usability. The iterative index scans in Vector 0.8.0 help prevent overfiltering, ensuring the generation of sufficient results that satisfy a query's conditions. If an initial index scan doesn't meet the query conditions, Vector will continue searching the index until it hits a configurable threshold. Additionally, Vector 0.8.0 offers performance enhancements for searching and building HNSW indexes. This new version is available in Amazon Aurora clusters running PostgreSQL 16.8, 15.12, 14.17, and 13.20 or higher, across all AWS regions including AWS GovCloud regions, except China. To take advantage of this update, initiate a minor version upgrade by modifying your DB cluster. For more information, please review the Aurora documentation. Amazon MSK expands support for Graviton 3-based M7G instances for both standard brokers and express brokers in the AWS Middle East region. This expansion enables customers to utilize Graviton M7G instances for standard brokers, which can deliver up to 24% compute cost savings and up to 29% higher write and read throughput compared to comparable MSK clusters running on M5 instances. In addition, using Graviton instance on express brokers allows customers to realize even more benefits, including up to 3 times more throughput per broker, scale up to 20x faster, and reduce recovery time by 90% compared to standard Apache Kafka brokers. AWS Marketplace introduces new fulfillment experience for container products, enhancing the deployment and management of container-based software from AWS partners. This innovative approach reduces complexity and improves workflow efficiency by providing a clear understanding of available deployment options, including explanations of each option's purpose and implications. The new fulfillment experience offers readily accessible help resources, featuring detailed guides from AWS Marketplace sellers. This convenient feature streamlines the process, allowing users to quickly find the information they need to successfully deploy container-based software. Available across all AWS regions and in local languages, the experience delivers a consistent workflow worldwide, eliminating language barriers and regional differences that may hinder adoption. By leveraging this new fulfillment experience, organizations can confidently navigate the deployment of container products in AWS Marketplace. The well-architected framework update features updates and improvements for 78 new best practices that offer actionable guidance to help organizations build more secure, resilient, scalable, and sustainable workloads. 78 new best practices have been added to the framework, focusing on providing guidance for organizations to achieve more operable, secure, sustainable, scalable, and resilient environment and workload solutions. Cost Optimization Hub now supports DynamoDB and MemoryDB reservation recommendations. This feature enables you to filter and aggregate recommendations across both services, making it easier to identify the highest cost-saving opportunities for DynamoDB and MemoryDB. You can view, consolidate, and prioritize reservation recommendations for DynamoDB and MemoryDB across your organization's member accounts and AWS regions through a single dashboard in Cost Optimization Hub. This comprehensive view allows you to see these recommendations as part of your total potential savings, helping you compare and prioritize them alongside other cost-saving opportunities. Cost Optimization Hub's support for DynamoDB and MemoryDB reservation recommendations is available across all AWS regions where the service is supported. Amazon OpenSearch UI is now available in AWS Europe and Asia Pacific regions. This expansion enables users to gain insights from their operational data by providing purpose-built features for observability, security analytics, and search use cases. With the availability of the latest UI updates across all versions, users can access the newest features and tools without interruption. The enhanced Discover interface in Amazon OpenSearch UI allows users to analyze data from multiple sources without switching tools, improving efficiency. Additionally, workspaces enable better collaboration by creating dedicated environments for teams to work on dashboards, saved queries, and other relevant content. Amazon OpenSearch UI provides a unified log exploration experience supporting languages such as SQL, Pipe Processing Language, DQL, and Lucene. The Discover interface features a data selector to support multiple sources, new visual design, and query autocomplete for improved usability. PartyRock introduces Image Playground, powered by Amazon Nova Canvas, which empowers users to transform their ideas into customizable images using the Amazon Nova Canvas Foundation model. This innovative feature can be accessed directly through the Images section of Party Rock, featuring an intuitive interface and comprehensive customization options. As users navigate the image playground, they will discover a range of configuration options, including orientation choices, resolution sizes, and color guidance. These settings enable users to tailor their images to specific needs and preferences. Furthermore, the playground comes equipped with pre-filled prompts to help users get started, as well as suggested prompts after each generation to refine and customize their images further. Party Rock's Image Playground also encourages user feedback and contributions, allowing for a collaborative approach to shaping the platform's roadmap and enhancing its capabilities for improving everyday productivity. To explore the possibilities of this new feature, users can experiment with Party Rock using a free daily use grant, without worrying about exhausting free trial credits. Overall, Party Rock's introduction of the Image Playground, powered by Amazon Nova Canvas, marks an exciting development in the world of image generation and customization, offering users a wealth of creative possibilities. Amazon Connect now provides the ability to set voice and language dynamically in a contact flow. This new capability enables you to deliver a more personalized experience for each end customer by configuring the desired voice based on their primary speaking language. You can have the desired voice configured dynamically based on the primary speaking language set in their customer profile, which is configurable in the Set Voice block in Amazon Connect flows. Amazon SageMaker Catalog has added precise technical identifier search capabilities within SageMaker Unified Studio. This feature allows users to perform searches by enclosing terms within a qualifier such as double quotes, enabling exact match and partial match functionality for technical identifiers like column and table names. Users can now quickly locate specific assets with exact or partial technical names, improving collaboration and data governance by reducing errors. For instance, analysts can find specific columns faster, stewards can validate assets using naming patterns, and engineers can identify temporary tables with prefixes. The enhanced search capabilities in Amazon SageMaker Catalog are designed for organizations managing large-scale data catalogs with complex naming conventions. This feature helps users quickly locate technical assets, making it easier to manage their data portfolios and improve overall data governance. Amazon Q Developer has expanded its multi-language support within the integrated development environment and the Q Developer CLI. This update enables developers to work with various languages seamlessly, making development more accessible and efficient for global teams. Developers can now start a conversation with Q Developer using their preferred language, including Mandarin, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Spanish, Korean, Hindi, and Portuguese, among others. The platform will automatically detect the language and provide answers, code suggestions, and responses in the appropriate language. This update is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Q Developer is available, allowing developers to take advantage of the enhanced multi-language support without any geographical restrictions. Amazon MQ is now available in 2 new regions, Asia Pacific and Mexico. With this launch, Amazon MQ is now available in a total of 36 regions. Amazon MQ has expanded its global presence to include these 2 additional regions, allowing customers to set up and operate message brokers on AWS with greater ease. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.